Okay, so this is going to be our very first video that we're going to take. What do you got in your hand? What is that? Give me that. Thank you very much. And so let's do some baby tricks. You want to? Here. How about that? Does that will help you? Can you see that? Who's that? Who's that?
Baby.
That's Lizzie. Who's that?
Daddy.
That's right. And what's a fish say? Okay. And what's horsey say?
Daddy.
What,
Anna.
what's
Anna says. Anna.
That's Lizzie. That's right. That's Lizzie.
Anna.
Alex isn't here. But where is Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy. That's right.
Daddy.
What's that? Animal? That's animal.
Baby.
And Lizzie.
He says no.
We didn't finish our baby tricks. What's a gator say? What's a gator say? Lizzie.
Okay.
Oh, now you gotta show us what it does. Do it again. What's a gator say?
Daddy.
That's right. Ah, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ah. You are cheesing. Cheese. Where's your head? Whoa. Where's your head? Where's your nose? No.
Emo. Daddy. Daddy, daddy, daddy. Daddy.